Hello children, today we are going to study addition and subtraction of fractions. Our first question is 3 minus 1 by 2. If there is only one number, we have to consider that one number as the numerator. This numerator has 1 always as denominator. That means if there is only one number, if there is no denominator, only numerator will be there and 1 will be the denominator of that number. Minus 1 by 2. We can add and subtract only like fractions. We have studied about like fractions. Like fractions are the denominators are same for some fractions. That fractions are known as like fractions. That is, denominators will be same. So, here we have to make these two fractions as like fractions. For doing this, first we have to find the LCM of 1 and 2. The denominators are 1 and 2. LCM of denominators. That is equal to, for 1 and 2, there is no common factor. So, we have to multiply these two numbers for finding the LCM. So, 1 times 2 is 2 itself. So, 3 upon 1, we can change it as upon 2. How can we get this 2? Here we have to multiply 1 with 2. So with 2 we have to multiply numerator. So 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. So we can say 3 upon 1 is equal to 6 upon 2. 1 upon 2. Here we don't want to change it. 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 itself. Because 2 times 1 is 2. So 1 times 1, 1 itself. So now we got these two fractions. So we can write 3 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 upon 1 minus 1 upon 2. So now we got 3 upon 1 is equal to 6 upon 2. 6 upon 2 and 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 itself. Write down that number. So, 6 minus 1, that means for subtracting and adding like fractions, we have to subtract the numerators or add the numerators and write same denominator. So 6 minus 1, 6 and 1 are the numerators. We have to subtract these two because our operation is subtraction. Write down the same denominator itself. So 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 and write down the number, that is 2. So 5 upon 2. Here we found the subtraction of the numbers by finding LCM of the denominators. One more method is the cross multiplication method. One example, 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 7. For cross multiplication method, we have to multiply numerator and denominator. That means numerator of first fraction and denominator of second fraction. So 2 times 7 plus next one is 5 and 3. So 5 times 3. That means first denominator and second numerator. The whole divided by 5 times 7. 5 times 7. 5 and 7 are denominators. So multiply the two numbers for denominator. So 2 sevens. 2 sevens are 14 plus, first we have to do the bracket. Next 5 times 3, that is 15. Then 5 sevens are 35. After then 14 plus 15, that is 29 divided by 35. That is 29 by 35 is the answer. 1 upon 2, 7 upon 4 and 3 upon 5. Here addition of 3 fractions. Here we have to find the LCM of 2, 4 and 5. So LCM of 3, 4 and 5 is 2, 4 and 5. We can find out the LCM of these 3 numbers. Here 2 and 4. The common factor of 2 and 4 and 5. 5 there is only 1 and 5 as the factors. So we can't take this one. Please keep it there. 2 and 4. For 2 and 4, 2 is the common factor. We can divide 2 by 2. So 1. Then 4 divided by 2. 2 is the answer. So 1, 2, 5. If there is no multiple, we have to write down the same number. Next, we can divide by 2 because 1, 1, 5. Next last number is 5 itself. So here we can do 1, 1 and 1. So the LCM of 2, 4 and 5 is equal to, we have to multiply these 3 numbers. That is 2 times 2 times 5. That is 20. After then we have studied, we have to change the given fractions having the LCM as denominator. So 1 upon 2 we have to make it into 1 upon 2 out of 20, 2 times 10. So numerator also we have to multiply with 10. 1 times 10, 10. Next fraction is 7 upon 4. This we have to make the denominator as 20. 4 5s are 20. So 7 times 5, 35. So next fraction is 3 upon 5. So 3 upon 5 we have to change into out of 20. 5 4s are 20. So multiply 3 with 4. So 3 4s are 12. So instead of adding 1 upon 2 and 7 upon 4 and 3 upon 5 will be, here we got it as 10 upon 20 plus 35 upon 20 and 12 upon 20. So adding the fractions, here 20, 20, 20. Now like fractions. So keep denominator as 20. One time only we have to mention the. After then add the numerators 10 plus 35 plus 12. So 10 plus 35, that is 45. 45 plus 10, that is 55. 55 plus 2, 57 upon 20. Look at here. This is improper fraction. That means numerator is greater than the denominator. So we can change this fraction as mixed number. So 57 we can divide by 20. So 2 4s are 20, sorry, 220, that is 40. Subtraction, that is 17. So we can write down 2. Remainder is 17. 17 will be the numerator and 20 will be the denominator itself. 2, that is the quotient. Okay children, thank you.